Here's my tripod adapter, cell phone to a regular tripod for camera. I have a normal camera tripod, so I want to put a cell phone on it. Okay, I got my old case and I marked the middle of it, and I got a 2-inch L bracket, and I'm going to epoxy it on here like that. And I got my 1/4-inch nut. I got a wing nut and just a regular nut. Okay, that's what part will look like. And depending which way you want your camera, you can either have it down or turn around, it goes up, which is right about there. I've spread out my 2-part epoxy. You can also use crazy glue. This epoxy is half and half. Which is right there. And it's not blocking the buttons. Yeah, working time with the epoxy is a lot longer than the crazy glue. Make sure it's nice and straight. So that. Make sure it's firm in there. Okay, I'm not going to play with it anymore. I think that's it. This has been about 10 minutes. I got some flat black. I'm going to spray it and let everything dry. See, it's still just a little bit sticky. Okay, I'm going to... dry, then I'll flip it around. This sewing needle is hard to get through the case. See, I'm just adding a little safety line. I got some real heavy thread. Okay, it's through now. And I did bump the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna loop it through the hole. And I'm going to give it a, maybe I should go through again, give it 2 loops. And then I'll tie it off, and that's my safety line in case something happens to the 2-part epoxy, but have a look.